What does give it a shot mean? Try something. What does miss the boat mean? Too late. What does hit the hay mean? Go to bed. What does get better mean? Recover from illness. What does walk in the park mean? Very easy task. What does get the ball rolling mean? Start an activity. What does two peas in a pod mean? Very similar. What does draw the line mean? Set a boundary. What does make matters worse mean? Increase a problem. What does sleep like a log mean? Sleep very well. What does play a trick mean? Tease someone. What does walk on eggs mean? Be very careful. What does chill out mean? Relax. What does keep a secret mean? Not tell anyone. What does hold your horses mean? Wait and be patient. What does keep going mean? Continue trying. What does it's up to you mean? You decide. What does not often mean? seldom? What does chicken out mean? Be too afraid. What does feel tense mean? Anxious or stressed. What does win big mean? Have great success. What does chop chop mean? Do something fast. What does pay through the nose mean? Spend a lot of money. What does spot on mean? Perfectly correct. What does let slip mean? Say something by mistake. What does over your head mean? Too difficult to handle. What does every cloud has a silver lining mean? Something good comes from bad. What does over the moon mean? Extremely happy. What does take the easy way out mean? Choose the quickest method. What does cram for a test mean? Study a lot quickly. What does equal share mean? A fair portion. What does pass away mean? To die. What does see eye to eye mean? Agree with someone. What does take off mean? Leave quickly. What does start from scratch mean? Begin from the beginning. What does go back to the drawing board mean? plan everything again? What does take the heat mean? Accept criticism. What does watch out for mean? Be careful of. What does pull an all-nighter mean? Stay awake all night working. What does blow off steam mean? Get rid of stress or anger. What does up with the sun mean? Wake up very early. What does in this together mean? Sharing a situation. What does call it quits mean? Stop trying. What does go ballistic mean? Get very angry. What does common practice mean? A normal way to do things. What does give me pause mean? Make me think. What does cross someone mean? Betray a friend. What does look on the bright side mean? Be optimistic. What does slow down mean? Rest or go slower. What does shape up mean? Improve your behavior.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.